Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to request credit card limit increase for Bank of America. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to bankofamerica.com. Then from here we need to simply log in, so put in your username, ID and password. Then once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the Information and Services tab, and if eligible, click on Request a Credit Line Increase. From there, fill out the form with your desired credit limit, annual income, occupation, and housing payment details. Then simply submit your request. Now you can also request this by phone, so I'm going to click on Contact Us. There should be a phone number here. Alright, so I'm going to click on under Contact Us Credit Cards. Alright, so you want to give them a call where it says call us on this number here. They're open 24/7, and let them know you want a credit card limit increase. And now there's some additional information too. So if the online option isn't available, your account may not be eligible for a credit limit increase at this time. Just double check with customer service if that is the case. And also, Bank of America typically performs a soft credit pull for credit limit increase requests, which does not affect your credit score. And also, Bank of America may automatically increase your credit limit if you have a history of responsible credit use as well.